valley of Safa and Marwa, patience still shines bright today. The vision remains before our eyes, the story flows in light today. Step by step a mother ran in search of her beloved child. God set an eternal sign, a symbol of faith so wild. It was Hajrah's patience firm that made Zamzam's waters rise. A miracle that still remains, a mercy in believers' eyes. The echoes of that mother's cries still resonate in sacred lands. Listen within the walls of her arm, her prayer in time still stands. Upon the peak of Safa high, a restless plea was sent above. The Lord bestowed His gift of life, a stream of mercy and of love. The footsteps of the beloved fell upon this blessed place so grand. Here lies the journey of pure love, here faith and wisdom stand. Footsteps of the beloved fell upon this blessed place so grand. Here lies the journey of pure love, here faith and wisdom stand.